Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, 1932.
The spine, hand-formed, riveted by hand. Even the wheels remember stillness.
After all these years, it moves. Careful, even now.
All right, keep coming slowly, a little bit to the left. Steady now. And stop.
Secure. Ready.
Safe now. Welcome its time.
Right there, perfect. Easy, down she goes. Just the surface for now.
Every line respected. Take your time. Still graceful.
Gently, they've waited.
Careful, every stitch. Time beneath, untouched.
One at a time. Listen to the tone, still strong.
Just the surface. Clear, good. Listen to the tone, still strong.
Perfect flow, hold it there. Let it cool naturally.
Slowly let the metal settle.
Sealed, protected.
There, free.
Slow, steady lift.
Locked, stable. Easy, keep them in order. There it is, steady. Smooth, very smooth.
Let the cleaner do its work.
Every passage matters. Dry completely. Feel it seated. That's it.
aligned, perfect. Bring it back. Clean, ready. Prepared, in order.
Gentle pressure, let the metal remember.
Slow, even, patient. The foundation, everything depends on this.
Every stroke reveals the soul beneath the surface. Patience is what gives perfection its breath.
Cleanliness is the final promise before perfection. Steady hands, even breath, let the surface drink.
Depth is built, not rushed.
Now the space becomes part of the process.
This is where clarity begins.
Some details only respond to the human touch.
Metal remembers light.
Everything returns exactly where it belongs.
That's the moment it settles. Every line properly home.
Comfort begins beneath your feet.
Gently, that's it. Exactly where they belong. Let it take what it needs.
Feel it turn smoothly.
That's how it should move.
Nothing left to take away.
Set exactly right.
Just the lightest touch.
Nothing added, nothing left undone. This is the standard. And now it rests.